I told you? The way we've been building automations for the past few years is already becoming outdated, not slowly, but faster than most people expected. For a long time, tools like N8N, Zapier, and Make completely changed the game. They made it possible for anyone to build automations in days, what used to take weeks. But now, we're entering a new phase, where you don't drag nodes, you don't wire APIs, you don't build step by step. You simply describe what you want, and the system builds it for you. Tools like Claude and modern agentic systems are making this possible, and they're collapsing hours of work into minutes. And this isn't just hype. By the next few years, a huge percentage of companies will be running on systems like this. So if you're not learning how to build with AI agents right now, you're not just behind. You're early to being replaced. In this video, I'll show you why this shift is happening, why people are moving away from traditional tools, and how you can start building your own AI workflows today. Let's get into it. Here's the shift nobody is talking about. Before, you had to tell the system how to do everything. Now, you just tell it what you want, and it figures out the rest. Let me show you why this matters. If you've ever used N8N, you know the process. You drag nodes, connect APIs, fix errors, debug logic, set up databases, and repeat that process until it works. It's powerful, but it's slow. Now compare that to Claude. You literally say, I want an automation that checks a YouTube channel, summarizes new videos, and sends it to my workspace. And in minutes, it builds the entire workflow for you. That includes API connections, logic, deduplication, even error handling, all done automatically. And this is not hype. This is already happening. The agentic AI market is projected to grow massively, and enterprises are already moving in this direction. Is N8N dead? Honestly, it might feel like it. With tools like Claude, building full automations just from prompts, it looks like drag-and-drop tools are getting replaced. But the truth? No, N8N is not dead. It's just no longer the final level. It's the foundation. Here's what most people don't understand. When you use Claude to build agents, you're not escaping workflows. You're still using the same concepts: triggers, actions, data flow, error handling. The difference is, Claude builds it for you. And this is where the gap shows up. Someone who understands N8N understands how systems actually work. So when they start vibe coding with Claude, they can guide it, fix it, and scale it properly. But a complete beginner? They'll prompt, get something working, and have no idea why it breaks. It's the same way experienced developers adapted faster to AI coding tools. They already understood the logic. So no, N8N isn't dead. It just became your unfair advantage. If you know workflows, you don't get replaced. You level up. So if you want to actually win this year, like this video and subscribe, because I'm going to be taking you on the right path to crack AI and earn nothing less than $4,000 a month. Don't chase hype. Build foundations. Then leverage AI.